In the realm of drone technology, few names stand as prominently as DJI. With each new release, expectations soar and enthusiasts eagerly anticipate groundbreaking innovations. However, the DJI Air 3, the latest iteration in DJI's popular drone series, has found itself at the center of controversy, leaving many disappointed and longing for more. Amidst the dissatisfaction, rumors swirl of the DJI A3S, promising redemption and heightened performance. Let's delve into the nuances of the Air 3's reception, the speculated upgrades of the A3S, and the implications for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Since its introduction, the DJI Air 3 has touted an innovative dual primary camera system, comprising a wide-angle and 3x medium telephoto lens. This setup promised enhanced versatility and imaging capabilities, yet it failed to fully captivate the drone community. The primary bone of contention lies in the camera sensor. While the Air 3 introduced notable upgrades, such as improved range and flight time compared to its predecessor, the Air 2, it perplexingly regressed in camera sensor quality. Equipped with a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor, identical to the Mini 3 Pro, the Air 3's 24mm wide camera falls short, leaving enthusiasts yearning for the superior imaging prowess of its predecessor, the Air 2S. Further exacerbating disappointment, the Air 3's limitation to 4K resolution, a step down from the Air 2S's 4K capability left many scratching their heads. In a landscape where visual fidelity reigned supreme, this downgrade felt like a misstep. However, it's not all bleak. The introduction of a 70mm telephoto lens injected a glimmer of hope, offering a unique perspective for aerial photographers and videographers. Nevertheless, with both lenses featuring fixed apertures, the necessity of ND filters in bright daylight conditions proved cumbersome, detracting from the overall user experience. In the wake of the Air 3's mixed reception, all eyes turned to the rumored DJI A3S. If history serves as a guide, with a roughly one-year gap between the Air 2 and Air 2S releases, speculations abound regarding the A3S's imminent arrival, potentially in July of this year. Anticipation runs high, fueled by rumors of a larger 1-inch sensor, promising higher resolution and finer details. Moreover, whispers of a lens upgrade to a genuine 48-megapixel camera tantalize enthusiasts, offering the prospect of unparalleled imaging quality. Beyond sensor and lens enhancements, the A3S has the opportunity to rectify some of the Air 3's shortcomings. The absence of vertical video mode, a feature present in the Mini 4 Pro, left many users disheartened, forcing them to compromise on image details through cropping for social media sharing. The reintroduction of this feature in the A3S would undoubtedly be met with enthusiasm, catering to the evolving needs of content creators in an increasingly visual-centric digital landscape. Additionally, the potential integration of DJI RC Pro support stands as a game-changer, streamlining the control experience for pilots. With the current Air 2 limited to DJI RC2 compatibility, the prospect of managing multiple drones with a single controller through OcuSync 4 integration presents a compelling proposition for professionals and enthusiasts alike. In conclusion, the DJI Air 3's lukewarm reception underscores the importance of innovation and meeting user expectations in the competitive drone market. As enthusiasts ponder whether to invest in the Air 3 or hold out for the rumored A3S, the latter holds the promise of redemption, poised to address the shortcomings of its predecessor and deliver an elevated aerial shooting experience. With anticipation mounting and rumors swirling, all eyes remain fixed on DJI, awaiting the unveiling of the A3S and its potential to redefine the drone landscape once more.